Hey everyone, we're home from California. I was just thinking about how we're home and I was thinking about like the different things that I was doing. And tell me if you do this. When you think of something that's happening, do you think of a song that relates to it? Because when I was thinking about what we were doing, and being home, I was just started singing Back to Life, Back to... I shouldn't sing. You know that song? Let me know if you even know that song. It's so old, you probably don't even know it. Anyways, I do that all the time with different things that are going on. I'll just immediately, like, a song will pop into my head and I'll start singing it terribly. And I just wondered if other people do that too. Anyways, we're back, we're home. We've been just doing things that you do when you get home from a trip. Laundry, unpacking. I can't even tell you how bad I needed to go grocery shopping. I did pick up. I really like to order my groceries online, especially when I need a lot. And there were two people that brought it out with two giant like crate things. It was so big. Usually they bring one out and they had two. That's how bad I needed groceries. But we're stocked up now. At least we have like what we need just all the time, and then we'll build on that. That's how bad it was. I opened my fridge and it was just completely empty. There were like, I think there was one egg and like a thing of like one of these things, not cinnamon rolls, but rolls, and some cream cheese. And we did have milk, so that was good. So now we have the things that we need. Not only that, I got a bunch of stuff in here, and I just spent about 3 hours cleaning this because someone spilled chicken noodle soup, so it was just everywhere, all over everything. I had to wipe it down. I eventually figured out that I could take everything out, and I cleaned it, and it's so good. Look at Brai. I have a breakfast drawer now.
Okay.
I got all
sausage?
of these things. I got some breakfast burritos. I should have made these things because I could do that. But for now, we're doing this. This is the temporary fix.
And I got a toothpaste Mommy bought.
Oh, and Layla got some new toothpaste. So excited about that. Did you try it? Do you like it?
But I can't.
Okay, I'll help you in just a second.
Guess what? Next time I go into physical therapy, I have to take this test and I have to like run with this thing around my thing, and I have to do skater hops, jump on my leg.
Just to see like where you're at?
Yeah, she's like, you're definitely gonna fail, but like,
Why?
because it's my first time doing it. Everybody fails their first time.
Don't. I bet you
I
won't.
know, that's what I was like, I'm not gonna fail.
How bad does it smell in here?
It does. I can't open it.
Did
It's
you
like
say?
every time
Did
I
you
try-
say it does stink?
Yeah.
It's because of the food. It's like the... Okay, camera died. Anyways, Braylee's gonna do a test. We'll let you know how it goes. She's doing really well.
scared.
Are they still saying like you're ahead?
Yeah, I'm not doing as because I had to miss a few days.
Yeah.
Like, these one-legged squats are what get me every time. And then we had to do fast ladders today, so we had to go like, and I was so confused. Like, my feet would not move with my body, so I was
Been a
just
while.
like tripping.
It's been a
over
while
my
since
feet.
it's all had to be connected.
I know, I was like, I look so unathletic right now, because I was with like all of the ISU football players, and I was like,
It's fine. You'll get there.
guys,
You'll-
I promise, I'm not usually like this. Hit me up for my number.
That's funny.
Hi guys.
Oh man.
They were all talking to
Hi,
me,
Layla.
and they're like, we'll take you to homecoming. I was like,
That was funny, guys. Guys, I have school and dance tomorrow.
First day of dance tomorrow. Boom. Are you so excited?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think
so
I drive my
excited too.
success tomorrow.
Finally.
Finally.
Braylee could have had her driver's license for 2 years now. It's
Mr.
fine.
Gatorade.
Better than the number.
Yeah, right. That's what I was just gonna say.
Mr. Gatorade spilled on me.
Oh, God.
And look.
Is that how you're gonna dance?
No.
And look. I'm exhausted already. It's almost 6 o'clock and I'm tired. When I go grocery shopping, tell me if you do this too. I don't want to cook. I don't want to cook dinner. Every time I go grocery shopping, it's like it takes so much energy to get it put away and like things cleaned out and old food thrown away, and you know what I mean? That it's just like, last thing I want to do is cook. But Casey just got home from a hunt, and so I'm gonna go and see if he wants to cook.
I got pickle.
This is a cucumber.
No, it's a pickle.
Well, did you guys know that pickles are made out of cucumbers? Did you know that?
It's a pickle.
Anyways, let us know what you guys have been up to.
We've been partying.
And if it's just been crazy busy. I don't know what it is about this time of year, but it gives me this like heightened energy, and I think it's because I'm forced to have a schedule and I'm forced to be more organized and forced to like
Yeah, the cucumber.
I feel like
Just,
this
like,
is the
go,
most
go, go.
stressful time of the year. Like, I realized today I have a lot of stress in my ribs because I was sitting there and I was like getting the worst cramps. I was like, what is going on with my body? I was like, it's because I'm stressed out.
Oh, maybe it's because you have gassy blood in your ribs.
Is that the thing?
I don't know.
Maybe because I was literally like dying. Like it hurt so bad.
We all need to go to the chiropractor too. I finally found one here in town. We went and got massages, me and my mom, and the lady was like, you have the worst like tech neck, is that what it's called? That I, like one of the worst that I've ever massaged, and recommended a chiropractor, so I'm gonna go because I've never been.
Guys, who lives in a watermelon under the sea?
That was good.
Guys.
Okay, we have homework. We have a lot of homework to make up on because we were gone. So we're gonna get on that. Layla has homework tonight.
Let me just tell you what the most confusing class to catch up on is. It's Spanish.
Yeah.
So
That
lost.
makes sense.
I'm so lost. Like we're doing worksheets and you have to read the questions in Spanish. I'm sitting there, I'm like, what?
Can you like get a tutor?
I don't wanna do
A
this.
turtle?
Huh?
I don't know on a tutor.
What's a turtle?
A little tutor?
I'm usually the
And
person
someone
that
who
tutors
helps
other
you.
people.
Well, if you don't know Spanish, then you obviously
Guys,
like,
do you want me to
couldn't be the one to
fall?
be the
Lots of
tutor.
noodles.
Yeah, I got a bunch.
Guys, do you want me to fall?
Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna do some homework.
Hey, Mom, can you?
Obviously,
Mom,
very
if so-
chaotic around here.
So if I do homework, can you get me some watermelon?
Yes, that's a good deal. I'll get you some watermelon once you get some homework
Where's
done.
my backpack?
Hey guys, I am just quickly getting ready. I'm gonna go get Layla from school, and I just realized that I think I messed up on her dance schedule. I think that either I signed her up for the wrong day and we're gonna have to change that, or it actually isn't today because the timing doesn't work out. And I feel like, maybe not, it was kind of a rush when I was getting her signed up and I was excited, and maybe I didn't notice the time, but I just can't imagine that I wouldn't have noticed what time it was at and that she would have school. And so I think I just somewhere messed up, and so I'm feeling really terrible trying to still hurry to the school and get her up to dance so that she can at least go in there and see what's going on and like feel okay about it. And it's just times like this that I'm like, so my fourth kid, am I ever going to get it together? And also realizing that I feel bad and I feel like that sometimes, like, gosh dang it. You'd think I'd have this figured out by now. But also the fact that I don't feel like ashamed of the fact that I don't. And that took me a really long time to feel that way. To feel like every time I messed up as a mom that I wasn't like the worst mom ever, or like other moms were better, or that people had their lives together and I just don't, I never would. I don't feel that way anymore. I know, like, obviously I will take the responsibility that was on me. I should have like double checked, made sure before today, and I didn't. But when I started to just accept the things about myself that aren't perfect or might be flaws, I started to accept the things that were good about me also. Because I feel like there are things that I fail at, but I feel like I make up for it in things that I'm good at. And I was just thinking that as I was getting ready, because I was like, gosh dang it, but also like, okay, well, we're gonna do this and I'm gonna make sure this. And I was just thinking that, you know, we don't have to be perfect. And I feel like that's the best advice that I could ever give to anyone who is a mom or a parent, or soon to be mom or parent, or thinking about maybe one day being a mom or a parent, is that you don't have to do things perfectly, and you'll mess up, and that's okay. That doesn't mean that you're a bad mom, and it doesn't mean that you're not great in so many other ways. And I think it's just something that we have to remember and remind ourselves of. Find the good, fix what happens along the way, it's fine. And just remember that we're all trying our hardest, we're all doing what we can, and accept every part of you, and know that every part of you is great and wonderful. There might be days that you mess up, but you can always fix it. You know, I guess that goes with everything in life. You can accept the things that aren't perfect about you, and then you can celebrate the things that are. Like, you're allowed to also do that. You don't need to pick yourself apart. You can just accept those things and celebrate the good. all the good things about you. There's so many good things about you. And also, if you want to feel better about yourself as a mom, stick around here because I'm always doing stuff like this and it's okay. I'm gonna brush my teeth now. Hope you're having a good day. Casey picked up Layla so that I can meet them at the dance studio, and guess what, guys? I didn't mess up. I was like, how in the world did I do that? When I was looking at the schedule, I only saw the AM classes, and I did put her in the PM class, so we are good to go. And she didn't miss any, and she's gonna get to go today, so she's not gonna be devastated, and I'm so excited to watch her. And also, I found her some tights that will fit, hopefully. She has the tiniest legs ever, and I got her some pink tights. They're supposed to wear pink tights, and they're hilarious because they're so big. So, yes, celebrate the good things, right? How was your day?
Good.
How was school?
Good.
Good. You ready to try on some tights for dance?
Mm-hmm.
I'm so happy that it all worked out. We were worried, huh? It's like, guess what, Layla? I think that maybe I messed up. But no, I did not. It's today. Hopefully these fit. We'll see. Too darn cute. The tights fit. The other ones were so funny. These look much better. Hey, you're ready for dance. I mean, you're ready like 5 hours early. It's fine. You'll be ready when it's time. Well, I think that it might be a good idea to take a nap before dance. You want to have a snack and then watch a show? See if maybe you're a little sleepy? I bet you're too excited. You're too excited to sleep? Oh, I can't wait to see these dance moves. One of my favorite things is, in fact, to watch Layla dance. She has some good moves, so I'm excited to see how this all goes.
I saw my pencils, everybody.
You did? Did you give them to your teacher? Good job. Wait, are these them? You were supposed to leave them there. They're for your class.
No.
You can take them again on Friday. That's fine. I should have told you or explained it better. Do you want an apple? No, just Cheetos? Okay. Moms are always right. She needed a little nap. She listened to me, right? Not on purpose. It's good that she had a nap, but I have to go get Winston. So I'm gonna have to wake her up and she's not gonna be happy. But it has to happen. I let her sleep as long as she can. It's time to go. She also got something on her tights. She insisted on keeping her dance outfit on. And now she has something on her tights. What's on your tights? What did you get on your tights? We have to go get Winston. Okay? We have to go get Winston. Ready? Come on. And then it will be dance time pretty soon. Okay, we'll go get Winston and we'll come home and put your hair in a bun. Or a ponytail or a braid. A braid? Yeah, we'll do a braid. That will be good. For anyone that's wondering, I have a zit on my lip. It's huge. It's been huge. And I got it while we were in California. And it seriously looked like I'd just gotten lip injections, but I didn't. It's just a zit, if anyone's wondering. I always get comments all the time about different things I'm doing to my face when I'm not doing anything to my face. So, anyways, just in case you were wondering. Okay, my phone's in my pocket. Let's go. I like your hair right now, though. It's fabulous. Who wakes up this fabulous? Only Layla.
And I have,
What did you say?
I have a little zit on my lip too.
You have a little zit on your lip, too? How the heck did we get little... Mine's not little. How did we get zits on our lips?
I don't know.
Too much lipstick. Too much lip gloss. Do you think that's it? What time is it? Dance time! Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you so excited? Layla has so many friends in her dance class. It's gonna be the best. Braylee came for support. Best sister ever. Okay, let's go. Let's go, lady. Okay, stay right here by the car. Good girl. That was the cutest thing ever.
Yeah, it was cute.
She was.
It makes me want to
little
dance
cutie.
when I see everybody dancing.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you want to next year?
Have you tried to see me try to be elegant?
Braylee's a really great cheerleader. She's like super powerful. I think Braylee took dance when she was younger and she was really good, but then she took a break from it, and I think it's kind of something
And
you
now
have to
here I
keep
am.
working on.
Nothing.
Well,
Now here I am.
you're doing
A
great.
couch potato.
You are not.
Here I am, failing my driving test.
I thought we weren't going to talk about that.
We weren't going to talk about that, but I did fail.
Braylee went and took the written test today, and she failed. And I was like, do you want to talk about it on the vlog? And she was like, no. So I said, okay. And I wasn't going to, but...
I just think it's funny. Now that, like, I've heard other people have failed it a lot.
So many people fail. I also failed when I took
You called me a
mine.
dummy.
I was just joking.
You said you were disappointed in me.
I was 1000% joking. You know that I failed when I took it when I was in high school too. I'm just teasing. Braylee's super smart. I think that what happened is
I overthink every single question.
Well, I think you overthought when you were taking the test, and I think that you thought you were fine. I think you thought it would be easy.
Yeah, I thought so too until the first 4, and I failed all of them.
He was like, oh shoot, I should have
I'm
studied.
like, great, I really need to actually try now.
Sometimes like testing is really easy for some people. Casey can test and pass and no problem. He doesn't even have to study. And some people...
I sit there and I stare at the question. I overthink every single option.
Yeah.
Like, I'm like, okay, this could be wrong, but it could also be right.
Yeah, I do that too.
So,
Next time.
Then
You'll
I
get
fail.
him. You'll get him next time, Bray.
yeah, let's hope so.
When do you take it?
Monday.
You have to wait so many days.
Well, I think so. They just told me to call, make an appointment on Monday.
Don't you only have like 3 chances and you have to take driver's ed again? Really?
One
That's
of my
what
friends
ours
took
was.
it 7 times.
What'd you say?
One of my friends took it 7 times. And she's an awful driver, so she probably should have already taken driver's ed.
Oh man, Braylee also took driver's ed online, and it was during the time of like doing homeschool and all that.
COVID.
Yeah, there's a lot.
I failed every single one of my quizzes online. So I don't know why I thought I had this one in the bag.
What?
Yeah. I had to retake every single one of my quizzes because I failed all of them.
Really? Yeah, you should have definitely studied more. I had to take the driving test. When you move to a new state, you have to take a driving test when you get to the new state, and I studied for months because I was so scared.
She's like in her bed. She's like,
I studied because I was like, there's no way I'm going to remember how many feet away I'm supposed to be from
they
things.
didn't even ask me that.
Did they ask you how to make a right turn and were you like this?
Well, when you asked me that, I was like, turn on your blinker. The
That was for the driving portion of the test, which we took my car and I took her to it, so I was in the back seat. And I was just like,
It's the worst I've ever drove because I was
What's
so
happening
scared.
right
He was
now?
like, so if you aren't using your turn signals, how do you tell someone you're turning right? And I was like, trying to figure out how I stick my hand out his window. I was like,
does she not know?
I didn't know that. Nobody told me
And
that.
then she did this. This.
Wait, what is
Oh my
it?
gosh, it's just this, Braylee. It's this. This is to turn right. This is to turn left.
This is left?
Uh-huh.
This is
And
stop.
this is stop. Wait,
No,
is that right?
this is left, this is stop. Left, stop.
Yeah, you're right.
When he asked me how I did stop, I did this. And he was like, no, it's like that. He was like, no, it's upside down, so I did this.
She had no clue. Never went over
I
that.
don't know how I passed. He asked me where my hazard lights were, and I was like, huh.
Well, that's hard to find on different cars. That's fine. Honestly, I thought she might fail her driving portion. Here's the truth, though.
Yeah,
I
he
think
took us
Braylee-
back to our place pretty early, and me and my mom were both
I was like,
crap.
uh-oh. And then he was like, you passed with flying colors. Braylee is a really good driver. She honestly is a really, really good driver. And she is very smart. I think that I would have been just like her. I would have thought I would pass no problem. And I thought you guys were kidding when you said that you didn't. Braylee's very, very smart.
When I stood up, Dad was like, no, you didn't fail. And I was like, yeah, I did.
Oh man, okay, we're gonna go to Dollar Tree because I haven't been able to find skulls, little skeletons and skulls. And then we'll be back. Layla's dance gets over pretty quick and I would like to watch her tap. She has tap next. We watched her do ballet for a minute. It was so cute because she's so tiny and she's just like so excited. I want to see her tap around. Tap, 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 tap. Do you remember tap dance?
No.
You did tap too. Tap, 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 tap. I love to tap. Okay, let's go. Actually, hold on.